This book is much bigger than what we created. I just think it is a testament to our city, people believing in something that was an idea.
We wanted to represent bars with the drink that made the most sense for that place. And there are so many incredible places to have drinks in West Hollywood.
Featuring 54 venues across the city, it's a book about history, drinking, and friendship.
It's become an idea that has become an education, and Sarah has taught me a lot about the cocktail industry, the liquor industry.
When you create a drink, I definitely feel when I'm creating a drink, like I am creating almost like a piece of art for somebody to enjoy. The person who's drinking it, it goes into their experience.
What essentially started to be a cocktail recipe book then became a book about drinking. So we curated it in a way, or diverted to something. If it was known for good times, we put them in with a vodka soda, which is not a cocktail, but it's a conversational piece about the bar and it's good times. And we want anybody who purchases this book to feel like they're part of this city too, and have lived something. So when they're making that drink back in Swindon, UK, you know, they can really feel like they are in West Hollywood at the same time.